you said you were leaving me. Surprised when you say that it's okay. Cause it's okay that you're feeling. Rest your head on me. It's okay if you got to go. Hope it all goes great. Don't think that I don't love you, 'cause I love you too much to have you stay. I was your all amazing life. So right when you said you were leaving me, couldn't think more that it's okay. Not only about love, I hope it all goes great. You're feeling, rest your head on me. It's okay if you got to go. Don't worry about me, I'll be well. It's okay, it's not only about love. We're here cheering for you. Muchas gracias.